Tesla has some exciting news on the horizon. Two new vehicles are coming, the long-awaited Cybertruck and the freshly redesigned Model 3. Stay tuned as we dive into all these topics in today's video. The truck market's impact on the Cybertruck. Regardless of how the Cybertruck's aesthetics may strike you, it might be challenging for those in Asia to grasp the sheer magnitude of the truck market. According to a report from Wealth Business Insights, the North American pickup truck market hit a massive $10.839 billion in 2020. However, it was a slight decrease from $11.501 billion in 2019 due to the pandemic. Projections indicate that the North American pickup truck market will continue to grow at around 3.8% annually in the coming years. By 2028, this market is expected to skyrocket to an astounding $14.78 billion. The Cybertruck's driving force. This helps you understand why it's convincing that the Cybertruck will be Tesla's driving force over the next couple of years. The journey for Tesla's Cybertruck has been filled with challenges since its unveiling in November 2019. The delivery timeline has faced multiple delays. During this time, competitors like Ford's F-150 Lightning and Rivian's R1T have taken the lead, making their presence known in the market with impressive results. But your patience is finally paying off. Just yesterday, Musk shared a photo of himself test driving the potential mass-produced version of the Cybertruck in Texas. The picture speaks volumes about his satisfaction with the product. Musk has been adamant that the Cybertruck will redefine Tesla's product lineup. Tesla's journey with the Cybertruck. Based on an internal email from Tesla staff, it's clear how Musk is prioritizing quality control for the Cybertruck. Musk emphasized that even minor imperfections will be more noticeable due to its design, especially its sharp edges and cold-rolled stainless steel material. He is striving for every component of the Cybertruck to meet a precision of 10 micrometers. To put it in perspective, 1 micrometer is equivalent to a millionth of a meter. He's confident this is an achievable goal. He drew parallels with products like Lego bricks and soda cans, noting that if they achieve this level of precision, then Tesla surely can too. How Cybertruck's design elevates precision standards. Tesla will proactively enhance their standards for tolerances and assembly. Following Musk's insight, it's evident that the Cybertruck's distinctive sharp-edged design makes precise parts and group all the more critical. This is why we're eagerly anticipating how Tesla will leverage the Cybertruck's introduction to refine the precision of its components and assembly techniques, ultimately carrying these improvements over to their other product lines. A content smile and the promise of Cybertruck's arrival. Seeing Musk's content smile as he stands by the Cybertruck speaks volumes about his satisfaction with the product. The vehicle captured in that photo is likely the finalized version. It will be the mass-produced model that we'll receive in the future. Excitingly, it appears that deliveries are nearly upon us. Just yesterday, Tesla sent out an email to owners like us. We can now apply to join Cybertruck's delivery event in Texas using the referral purchase program points. Tesla's email alerts owners about Cybertruck delivery event. What's more, it's becoming a common sight to spot the Cybertruck being transported on highways, and we even witnessed a Cybertruck at the Fremont factory's runway yesterday. This particular Cybertruck, which should be the production version, was undergoing rigorous testing. We've included the video link in the description below for those eager to witness complete aerial footage. Feel free to check it out at your convenience. All these indicators strongly suggest that the Cybertruck's delivery is well underway. Likely, we're merely waiting for that signal to come alive, signaling the commencement of Cybertruck deliveries simultaneously in various locations across the United States. Spotting Cybertrucks on highways and factory runways. What we can be sure of is that the Cybertruck will undoubtedly have the highest head turning rate in the next year or two, especially in the relatively scarce truck market on Asia. If there's a chance for Taiwan to introduce it, getting a Cybertruck would be the best decision if you want a car with the highest head turning rate. Even though many people can't accept its appearance, the reality is that its orders have already surpassed 1.9 million, very likely to reach over 2 million by the time of delivery. Unpacking Cybertruck's impressive capabilities. The Cybertruck will feature an air suspension system that can be raised or lowered by about 4 inches, facilitating easy entry, exit, and cargo transportation. Details about this aspect have been discussed before, with images showing the underside of the Cybertruck. Furthermore, based on various visuals, the Cybertruck might have a steer-by-wire system. This would make U-turns and maneuvers easier and more relaxed compared to other trucks of similar size. Cybertruck pricing and Model 3 upgrades await unveiling. The final pricing details for the Cybertruck are expected to be revealed soon, with analysts estimating the cost between $40,000 and $70,000. The highest tier variant may be priced below $80,000, making it one of the market's most competitively priced pickup trucks. Tesla's acclaimed masterpiece is on the cusp of its unveiling. The Highland Model 3, another model generating excitement, is also set to enter the market, with recent news from China involving camouflaged Model 3 vehicles undergoing high-temperature tests in Xinjiang. Model 3 aesthetics, hardware, and production plans. Tesla is set to begin mass production of its updated Model 3 in Shanghai by the end of September. The battery production line at the Shanghai factory will resume operations in September, and the Model 3 will receive significant aesthetic and interior upgrades. It will also discard all radar systems. The rumor suggests that the new Model 3 will integrate HW 3.5 instead of the expected HW 4.0, and its computational power may slightly decrease compared to the Model S or X. Competitive pricing and cutting-edge hardware. This new hardware is positioned between versions HW 3.0 and 4.0. The pivotal aspect, however, is that owing to cost reduction efforts, its pricing could hover around 200,000 RMB, equivalent to approximately $27,000, or about 800,000 Taiwanese dollars. This aligns quite closely with the $25,000 USD budget-friendly electric vehicle concept. If these leaks hold, the new Model 3 will gain a distinct competitive edge, particularly concerning its pricing. Model 3's design updates and radar transition. In contrast to the conspicuous presence of the Cybertruck, the front and rear of the Model 3 remain veiled in camouflage. Therefore, cameras might be installed beneath the front bumper. This addition seems essential, especially if the radar is to be completely phased out. Regardless of whether it's the Cybertruck or the Model 3, despite catering to distinct market segments, both are greeted with enthusiastic anticipation, particularly in the current economic downturn. Tesla is in dire need of this stimulus to rejuvenate the market. Tesla's production shuffle. Tesla has revised its production targets at its German Gigafactory despite achieving a weekly production rate of 5,000 vehicles in March. The target for Berlin production during July and August has been adjusted to 870 cars per day, equivalent to 4,350 cars per week. The report also mentions a potential Q3 production capacity reduction due to line upgrades and an employee statement that Tesla aims to reduce weekly production capacity to below 4,000 vehicles. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the incredible updates of Tesla models. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Techbros for more content such as this.